contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE. Massachusetts, weighing 248 pounds, he is one half of the World Tag Team Champions and the WWE Champion, John Cena.
Now that's what I call making an entrance.
Well, remind me not to ride shotgun with John Cena. It's going to be John Cena versus Shawn Michaels. And I never thought that I would see these two superstars face off at a WrestleMania.
HBK won a triple threat match against Randy Orton and Edge on Monday Night Raw to become the #1 contender. And then HBK ran in to help John Cena when Rated RKO were just about to beat him down.
Then Orton played that video showing how Cena can't trust Shawn Michaels, that HBK has betrayed every partner he has ever had.
Exactly. But HBK said, and I quote, "I'll have your back until WrestleMania. I've turned against all my partners, and more importantly, I've stabbed all my friends in the back. But with you, John, it's different."
Cena's going to take a big risk here.
Look out!
John Cena finding his mark on HBK. Cena using his tremendous strength advantage to make up for his comparative lack of experience against Shawn Michaels.
Well, that's something that HBK can't compete with Cena. Pure strength. I mean, Cena AA'd the Big Show at WrestleMania 20.
Matches are not determined by strength alone, King. Make no mistake about it, ladies. The enziguri on the WWE Champion. John Cena looks to be out on his feet.
Oh, this doesn't look good, JR.
Good God Almighty. Michaels with that springboard moonsault catching Cena on our announce table.
HBK will do whatever it takes to be the WWE Champion. I mean, they don't call him Mr. WrestleMania for nothing. Wow, he's still down after that.
Back into the ring now. The punch connects.
That was one vicious neck breaker.
Oh, Lord Almighty, what a chop. The sound is echoing to the far reaches of this packed arena. The showstopper, Shawn Michaels, doing an excellent job of overwhelming his opponent. His strike hits nothing but air. The patented right hand of Cena. Bam! Fist drop. He's fighting back with all he's got. What a war.
That landed like a ton of bricks.
Shawn Michaels is a master at playing the game. Just when you think you have HBK on the ropes, he always finds a way to come back.
Oh, you can't let up when you're facing HBK. If you get him down, stay on him.
Many an opponent has had Shawn Michaels on the ropes, and many of them have made the mistake of letting up, of letting their guard down.
And that's when HBK tunes up the band and delivers sweet chin music. Oh, look at the emotion. I'm not sure if he knows where he is right now.
Counter by HBK. Cena just one on the verge of victory. Didn't mean to do that. The kick connects. John Cena has stepped into the ring at WrestleMania 23 and has taken the Heartbreak Kid to the limit.
The current WWE champion has stepped up to the first ever Grand Slam champion and has proved that he deserves to wear the WWE Championship gold.
HBK, one of the most, if not the most, decorated superstars in WWE history, might be seeing his hopes of regaining the WWE Championship slipping away.
Well, the Heartbreak Kid might be the best to ever lace up his boots.
Watch out! The champ is here. Seen that one before. Textbook hold. And this is all but over.
This is not the position you want to be in.
Cena wins! Cena wins! My goodness, is there anyone better?
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, John Cena.
Shawn Michaels defeated at the hands of John Cena. And John Cena is still the champ.
An amazing, amazing main event battling through the brilliance of Shawn Michaels' game plan here tonight.